Welcome to the PresentPal home screen. To get started, jump to Settings and start personalising the app to your preferences. In visual settings, you can choose your preferred font, font size, and a colour overlay. By choosing the optimal font and colour overlay, this will support your readability and overall experience using the app. You can update these to suit your visual preferences at any time. You can also choose to switch on accessible scrolling, which adds buttons for scrolling, supporting any dexterity or fine motor challenges. Or why not switch on our stopwatch feature, which counts up instead of down? This can help you keep track of time when you're presenting. Our audio cues feature uses text-to-speech to read out your flashcards. We recommend plugging in earphones or headphones if you're using this in presentation mode, as the audio plays out loud.
Fits 1,300 Earths. Rotates the fastest.
Now, you're all set up and ready to create your first set of flashcards. Create, rehearse, and present with PresentPal.